Hello, it's Marcus McCray with DFW Fence again. Just want to show you a project we're in the middle of. Behind me here is a setup. We're setting up the rails. We're setting up the posts. So the posts have been installed the day before, and then we let it dry out a day. We get the rails coming in. This is all Western red cedar 2x4 material. And then down here at the bottom of the fence, we're putting another board along the bottom. This board running along the bottom is the footer board. As you can tell, that footing board running there along the bottom is going to help us lift the picket about 4 inches off the ground. This one here, we're doing a step and level installation. So this is stepping and leveling. The grade is sloping down, so we're going to continue to make our steps correct with the grade. So this one will be 8 foot tall. In the really high area right here, we might reach about 8 foot 1, 8 foot 2 in the high area there. And then as it steps down, I'll just do like an 8-inch step coming down. But this is just a setup of a Western red cedar before the wood is actually nailed up. This will be board on board. This also has a step back here in the back. And then we're going to tear out this last section of fencing here for the neighbor. We're going to reutilize that post, but we're going to create a step here to step this down, so we're not abutting an 8 foot tall fence into a 6 foot. We're going to step that down, and then we're going to redo the gates in the front up there. We're doing some new tubular frame gates. Once again, this is Marcus McCray, DFW Fence. Just a standard installation for us, just 8 foot tall, utilizing 11 foot tall 0.095 regular tubular 2 3/8 round post, Western red cedar rails, footer board. We're going to build a board on board. It's going to have top cap. It's going to have a double stage trim underneath with one single walk gate, and then a double drive tubular metal frame gate. Basically using like chain link style tubular material. We're using a 2-inch or what they call a 1 7/8 2-inch frame to construct it out of steel. Thank you.